All right, the next participant will be Robert Luo. Robert, are you ready?
Absolutely.
Wonderful. Robert Luo, University of Southern California, breaking the wall of food waste. The digital floor is yours.
Thank you. Hello, my name is Robert Luo. I'm the CEO and founder of Mi Terro. When I visited my uncle's dairy farm in China in 2018, I was shocked to see buckets and buckets of sour and spoiled milk sitting in his farm. He was really frustrated because those were his money. So he asked me to help him find a solution to distribute all these milk waste. Little did I know that this is a bigger problem than it seems. 1/3 of the food that we create in the world goes to waste every single year. And that creates 3.3 billion tons of greenhouse gases, which equals to 37 million cars driving on the road at the same time. Amongst that, 128 million tons of milk are thrown away every single year. Food waste is a century-old problem, but there has been a sustainable or affordable solution until now. My company, Mi Terro, is the world's only biotechnology company that rescues bad food and turns it into good food. What does that mean? That means we have a patent-pending technology called PROACT in which we extract the casein protein that's gum bacteria from expired, spoiled, or sour milk. And we extract it. Once we have to extract the casein protein, we use our patent-pending process called Siri to remove these bacteria and to purify these bacteria from bad to good. So now when we have the casein protein again, it can possibly be eaten, be used into cheese, into yogurt. But we want to go beyond that. We created a process called DFS in which we can turn these good casein protein into fiber that you can see right here. And the fiber can apply to apparel, medical appliances, bed lining, and packaging. Our goal is to replace petroleum-based materials with protein-based materials made from food waste. And because of our unique technology, Nike has purchased our product and fiber to do more testing. We also have clients such as Danone, PI Insurance, and Toyoshima. We have also signed LOI with H&M, Ralph Lauren, and Richemont. At the same time, we're helping farmers, food processors, grocery stores to reduce their milk waste and to turn these bad food into something that's useful again. We are redefining circular economy in which everything begins with food waste. And we can turn this food waste into something useful and into something that this fiber can apply to. And at the end of the cycle, we recycle our products and make sure it's 100% biodegradable. Just imagine that the food you throw away every single day can be used again, can be eaten, can be worn, and can be used. So the world does not need another food delivery service. We need a solution to solve this century-old problem. So please join us to make a brighter future together. Thank you.
Wonderful. Thank you, Robert. I'll ask the jury, who has a question? Ben, please go ahead.
You said that food waste is a big problem because it is thrown away, and it's such a pity that it cannot be reused. But have you considered that food waste is very often used to feed livestock? So I think, especially in developing countries, it's not actually thrown away, but used for feeding animals. Did you consider this aspect?
Absolutely. And we have spoken with our partners, especially the food processors. They have to pay money to get rid of all these food waste to feed livestock. So we are helping these food processors, grocery stores, to save money. At the same time, creating more value for these food waste rather than just feeding livestock.
Another question, Noja, please.
Robert, is there a patented technology aside from just the casein removal and transference of casein from bad to good that only your company would be able to sort of house? I mean, if I'm a farmer in South China, how do I get my food waste to you?
Great question. And that's why we plan to outsource our process to agricultural plants and to farmers so they can do it themselves to create the fiber, to create a new stream of income where they can sell the fiber or other products from their own food waste.
Hands up.
Thank you, Sophie, and thank you, Ben and Noja, for the questions.